Wow!
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away.
Yes!
I know we could both do better.
Phew!
Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection?
Please subscribe.
If you never look in the mirror. Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from?
Please like my video.
Where's the time going? I tried to give you everything.
You need a matchbox.
All and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause
Cut it.
it's not enough. Maybe it's not enough, baby. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What I've been
6.6 centimeters asterisk 5 centimeters.
How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh,
Please comment if you like my video. Thank you so much.
I tried to give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough. Maybe it's not enough, baby. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me.
Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Please subscribe.